Hi friends, I am Janvi Pache. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we'll learn English in fun and easy ways. And today we are going to learn English with a motivational and powerful song. We shall overcome. First, I am singing some lines of that song. You have to listen it carefully. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. This is not just a song, it's a message of hope, courage, and unity. And the best part, it's perfect for English learners the words are the words are simple, meaning is deep, and the pronunciation is very clear. So let's start learning line by line. Let's take the first line. We shall overcome. Now, let's understand each word. We means all of us together. Shall. Shall means this is a formal way to say will and it talks about the future. Overcome. This is a powerful word. It means to defeat a problem, to win against something difficult. So the full sentence means one day we will win, we will succeed, even if today is hard right now. Let's say it together slowly. We shall overcome, we shall overcome. Now let's look at the next line. We shall overcome someday. Here the word someday means in the future, maybe not today, but one day we will. So now the full meaning becomes one day we will win, we believe that day will come. Let's repeat together. We shall overcome someday. Third line, deep in my heart, I do believe. Deep in my heart means strongly inside me, in my feelings. I do believe means I truly believe, I have faith, I am sure. So the line means I strongly believe in my heart that we will overcome. So let's repeat it again with me. Deep in my heart, I do believe. You see, we are not just learning English, we are feeling the words. Line 4, we shall overcome someday, repeated. Yes, this line repeat again. In the many songs, repetition helps us remember better and that's great for language learning. Now let me tell you something interesting. This song became very popular during the civil rights movement in the United States. People sang it when they were fighting for justice, equality, and human rights. It gave them strength, it gave them hope. And you know what? Even today, this song inspires people around the world. So, if you are struggling to learn English or going through hard times, remember you will overcome too. You just have to believe it and keep moving forward. Now, let's practice together. I'll say a line and you repeat after me. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Awesome, you are doing great. Learning English with music is fun, right? You get new words, clear pronunciation, and you also feel emotion behind the language. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and motivational lessons. And comments below what song should we learn next. I will read your comments and make more videos for you. And remember, no matter how hard life or English gets, we shall overcome. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.